Hello, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll show you a very quick technique of how to get early dates on the AERØHEAD portal for your US visa appointment, right? So basically the first step is to log in. Remember, you should have booked an appointment first before you try out this technique. So you log in, which I've done now. This is the active portal. Then at this corner here on the left part, you see my dashboard, right? Then you click on my appointment. Once it opens up, you would see available appointment that you've already booked for, right? Then you just scroll down to the particular appointment you want to book. For this appointment, we have I'll be trying to reschedule for September. This is September, book for September, so I'll try to reschedule to see if I can get early date. So I'll just scroll down for this particular appointment and just click reschedule. You confirm, then you select the location which you want the appointment to be booked. Wow, so as you can see, the initial appointment was booked for September, but now there are available slots for August. So I'll just pick any of these dates, right? Pick the time, then book. I really don't want to change it, but once I click on the book post appointment, it automatically generates my new appointment dates that I've selected for. So this is very simple. So you can do this 3 times maximum a day. So because if you keep checking more than 3 times, then you could get logged out of your portal could be logged out for another one week or thereabout. So be cautious, do it 3-4 times. I'm sure if I tried this for like 2-3 days, I could get even a date in July, because the thing is, people are actually dropping dates and new dates are coming up. So don't pay anybody any fee for you to do this. It's free of charge. You just take time and be systematic about it, and you get your early dates. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this video useful, please like, please share, please also subscribe. Until that next video, take care and bye bye.